Welcome to my channel once again. This is Efogo Joseph, your anchor person. In this video, I'll be showing you how to swap your USDT to DAI, for USDT Polygon to DAI Polygon. All right, let's move ahead to see the procedures. All right, this is my Trust wallet. Inside this Trust wallet, you need just two basic things to be able to do that. First, you look at this. You need your USDT in Polygon network, and then you need Polygon to use as your gas fee to enable you to do the swapping. Then if you look at this particular area down there, there is a link that has swap. It has swap with two directional arrows. So just click on that swap button. Not this. Click on the swap button. Okay, it's loading. Okay, you can see here it says DAI. DAI is at the top. DAI is at the top, meaning that you are swapping DAI to USDT, but we want to do the reverse. We want to swap USDT to DAI. So what we do is to click on this area so that there will be reverse. Can you see it now? So USDT is at the top while DAI is down. You are swapping to DAI. So how many of it do you want to swap? How much of it do you want to swap? Polygon, I currently have about $25 worth or thereabout. Sorry, USDT. I have about 25 USDT. So that is this. Sorry. Let me show it again so that you will understand it. You can see that there is 25 USDT here. So how much of it do I want to swap? If I want to swap just 1/4 of it, I will use 25%. If I want to swap half, I will use 50%. But if I want to swap all of them, I will click on maximum. So in this case, we are using all. So I'm going to click on maximum. So you can see now that 25 USDT is highlighted, which is exactly what I have in my account. So we're going to swap it to DAI, and it will give us 24.83 for DAI. So having looked at it, this is the fee needed 0.175. So we'll click on this continue button here to permit the transaction. All right, approve USDT. So we'll click on it. Approval is in progress. Remember that before now we have like 31, I think 31 DAI in this account also. So by the time we convert this, add it to what we already have in the account, that will increase what we have, and then the USDT will be gone. Only DAI and Polygon will be left. Confirm swap. Good, you can see confirm swap. So we'll click on the confirm button down there. Good, transaction details processing. So that is how it is done. So for you to confirm if your transaction was successful, you need to just click on this button here that says transaction details. Can you see? It is showing that transaction has taken place and that it is completed. What is completed? Polygon 25 USDT swap to 24.844 DAI. So let's go back to our account and see, click the back button and see if what we have is there. Go home. Okay. You can see, like I said before, that what we had in this account before was around 31 also. So if you added the 25 to 31, that would have given you 56. So we have 56 DAI in the account right now, and the USDT have been converted. So we have 56 DAI. So that is how to convert your Polygon to DAI. But always ensure that you have your USDT and it is on the Polygon network. And then you also have some amount of Polygon in your account, which will be used as your network gas fee. So that is it. If you think this video is useful, if you find it useful, kindly like it, share it with your friends, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. God bless you. See you in our next video.